Hi guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will make a flower of 5 petals. The list of supplies will be provided in the description box, or you can check our blog for more details. Note that in order to make this flower, we'll have to follow a 3-step process. First, we'll make the leaf. In the second phase, we will create the flower. And in the third step, we will join both the leaf and the flower. So let's begin with step number 1. Using the green ribbon, cut a strand of 9 inches in length. Then remove the wire from one side only, fold it in half, and you will have to stitch the non-wire sides. Once you reach the end, pull the thread and wrinkle the middle of the ribbon, shaping the leaf. Once the leaf is ready, ensure to stitch the back to secure it. Next, grab one of the stems and stitch it to the back of the leaf. Now roll the green floral tape around the stem and your leaf is ready. For the second phase of this tutorial, we will create the actual flower. For this, we'll have to cut 5 strands of the colored ribbon. We are using color red, but this is up to your preference. Note that each strand has to be 4 inches long, and actually each strand will end up becoming a petal of your flower. Grab one strand and fold it in half. Then, holding the open-ended side, form 1 to 2 small pleats and stitch them in place to maintain the shape. Do this 5 times until all the petals are ready. Just to be clear, for the flower, we will keep the wires on both ends of the ribbon. The next step is to begin stitching or joining each petal side by side, forming your flower. Note that the petals have a tiny overlap when you're stitching them together. Before closing the flower, grab 8 to 10 single-sided stamens and place them in the middle. Then go ahead and finish the flower. To make it easier to handle the stamens, twist them around to keep them in place, as if you were forming one bundle. Give the flower a few extra stitches in the back to secure it tightly in place. And the last step is to cover the back of the stamens with the green floral tape. And now we are ready to join the leaf to the back of the flower. This is an easy and quick version of this tutorial. Note that in this case, when creating the leaf, we skipped adding a stamen. Instead, we simply made a loose leaf. Now this is the second version of this tutorial, where we are joining the stamens of both the leaf and the flower. Place the stamens side by side and join them by rolling the floral tape around them a few times. Once you're done rolling, your flowers are ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.